What is that?
It's a Kidpik box.
Okay, let's see.
It says Kidpik. Ooh, wonder what I got in there. Ooh, nice belt.
Sparkly belt.
Ooh. Ooh, this looks cool.
What is it? What does it say on it?
Hi.
Ha!
Huh.
Okay, let's see what else you got. Ooh, you got like a leather jacket!
I really wanted this one.
What else did you get?
I got this pair.
What are those?
They're big jeans.
What color are they?
They're pink.
They're red, I think.
I don't know. Look.
It's a fun dress. Hold it up. You could look like a mermaid.
I look like a mermaid. Mermaid time.
What else is there?
Ooh. Nice.
Turn it around.
It's a dress. It's another dress.
Funky.
Funky.
What is it here, do you think? You think some shoes?
Ooh.
Let's look in here. Let's look in the bag.
You feel something? Ooh.
Oh, look at those. Wait, look at how sparkly they are on the side. Turn them around.
Cool shoes.
Cool shoes. What else did you get in the little one?
Feel something? I got a bracelet that says Kidpik.
That's awesome.
Smiley faces.